Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can block or unblock on your OneDrive. To do so, all you have to do is go onto Google Chrome browser and just search for OneDrive. From where just log into your account. After logging into your account, go onto your files section, and onto the files go onto your personal vault. Here you can see that three dot option. Simply click on it and now you'll be able to see unblock option. If they have blocked it, or by default you'll be blocked. To unlock or unblock, simply click on this unlock option, and after that you need to perform all of these verifications. Auto locks after 20 minutes and available on all of your OneDrive device. This is for security purpose also, so simply click on next and just now follow all of the steps that you need to do so to simply unblock or unlock your personal vault and even block it in your OneDrive. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.